Prepare yourselves for Lesson 2, What are heat and temperature anyway? From last week, you are hopefully comfortable with the 3 different temperature scales, Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin, and how to convert numbers between the 3. Hopefully you are also feeling pretty confident with how heat is transferred from one place to another and the context in which that would happen. This week, we're going to be learning about the differences between heat and temperature and what those two things really are. So what physical thing is happening in an object for it to gain more heat and for it to gain a larger temperature. Before we get into the bulk of the lesson though, I have one more demonstration for you, so let's get to it. Okay, I have a similar scenario to the one I showed you last week. I still want you to get to the point where you can understand why hot metal feels way worse than hot wood or another object that's not metal that is of an equal temperature. So for this little experiment, I have a stainless steel pan, I have a wooden cutting board, and I have 2 pieces of ice. Now, both the cutting board and the pan have been left out like forever, effectively. I haven't used the pan all day, and I haven't done anything with the cutting board. So they are at room temperature. I'm gonna have 1 piece of ice be on the cutting board, I'm gonna have 1 piece of ice go in the pan, and we're going to see how they behave differently. Are you ready? Because it's coming. Okay, hopefully you found that just as fascinating as I did. It's actually shocking to me, placing the ice on that frying pan, just how quickly it starts to melt. I would encourage you to try this yourself at home. You can prove to yourself that I didn't heat up that pan sneakily, and then it's just cool for yourself to see that ice melt in about 4 minutes and the ice on the cutting board hardly melting at all. So one more mystery that we've added to our thermodynamics journey, and we're on our way to discovering why these things are occurring the way they are. So the real core lesson starts now. I have a lab for you. It's gonna be hopefully engaging, hopefully fun. So let's get to work.